So here we come to IGCSE Mathematics Paper 4, Specimen Paper 2020, question number 4. So 4A part 1 is about the reflection. First of all, we need to think about the 9. X equal to 0 is a vertical line, and actually it is just the y-axis, x equal to 0. So for the triangle T, remember it's T, it's not the U, T, and then we flat or along the line x equal to 0. So you can just add this line as a mirror. So this point, or there are 3 points in the T. So this point, -2, and then y equals to -5. When this is the mirror, it will becomes here. So the first point will be here at 2, and then y equals to -5. And then the next point, this point, when this is the mirror, it will becomes here, right? Because this point is 4 units to the mirror, so you just have 4 units to the mirror again. So you should have this point. This is the next point, and then for the last point here, it's still 4 units from the mirror, and y is equal to -2, so you will have 4 units from the mirror, so it should be this point. So you got all the 3 points, and remember you need to link it all up. So this is the triangle for the refraction of the T, so this is the A1 answer. And then we come to the part 2. It's about the rotation. Alright, so very important, it's about the center. So this is the center. The x equal to -2, and then y equal to -1, so it should be something here. This is the center. It's very important. And then for each point, or again these 3 points, or the first point, how about we use this thing first? That's how I will do it. I will think about this point, or the draw a line. I'll draw a line from this point to the center. This is the center. Right. So we will have something like this. Okay. So this green line will rotate it 90-degree clockwise. So this green line will be something here. Right, where it is rotate like this way. So the first point for the part A2 will be this. I'll draw it here. This is the first point. This point will rotate to here. Okay, so and then for the next point, this point, so what I will do, I will draw I use a pencil to draw a line from this point to the center, and then this line, rotate 90-degree and a clockwise. So it will be something like here. Alright, can you imagine that this will be 90-degree? So the next point will rotate to here. This point will rotate to here. For the last point, I again from this point to the center, and then rotate this one 90-degree clockwise will be somewhere here, 90-degree. So the last point will be here. And then finally, remember, you need to link up all these 3 lines to make a triangle again. So you can compare with the original thing. The original thing is some triangle like this, a right angle triangle. So this is still a right angle triangle. And you can also track the height and the base, or the height and the base is still the same. So this is the answer for part A2. So for part B, question 4B, obviously is a translation, but by how much? So here, let's see. From here is -5, and then it goes to 4. So altogether there are here from -5 to 4, it is like 4 minus -5, so it is 9 units, upward. So how about the left and right? Let's see. For the, how about we use this? It's from -4 and then becomes -3, so like this. So it is -3 minus -4, so it is a +1. Okay, so +1 rightward. Okay, so +1. Alright, and then +9 outward. So here for the we will use the vector. So it is like remember x is on the upper and the y on the lower. So x is the right or left. So for plus is right, and then negative will be left. Alright, and then for y, plus will be up, going up, and then negative will be going down. Okay, so this term, all these two are the plus because it's right and then going upward. So for the right, it is +1, so it is just 1, and then for the y, it is 9. So I'll just write 9. So this is the answer. Translation by bracket 1 and then 9. The end.